Hey guys, Steven TheSalonGuy here, and today I'm transforming this mannequin into a new look for Italian footballer Mario Balotelli. And as you all know, Mario is not only he's an incredible footballer or soccer player, but he's had some extremely crazy, wild hairstyles and haircuts and stuff in the past, and he's always doing something crazy. So I'm going to create a new look for him, and I'm going to transform this mannequin into, I don't know, something wild and edgy. So follow along and I will see you when we're done. All right, guys, I now introduce to you the brand new Mario Balotelli. All right, guys, so when recreating this look, obviously he's got some crazy hairstyles, and, I started really just going over and fading up the sides here and creating like a harsh line right in through the temple area with, no guard whatsoever. And I really just started transforming the entire haircut to where I basically shaved this down into here and then did a light taper right into this side. This side's completely disconnected, and just as you can see, created a hard part that goes from the one side over here all the way throughout about right here. Then I used my clippers to really kind of morph in the top here and just kind of shave in the sides into the top here. So it's creating kind of an illusion and somewhat of an angle. The haircut really pretty much speaks for itself. Definitely a lot of it by hand. Then I went in with my ice pomade, which works really, really well with this hair type. And here we have the finished result. All right, YouTube, I know this was a very complex video and very interesting haircut, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell so you're notified of when my videos go live. And I'm posting a lot more content than usual, so just keep your eyes out, a lot more hair tips and stuff. If you have any requests of any celebrities or whoever you want me to make over, then let me know in the comments below. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time for more videos for The Salon Guy.